Hello friends, let's crochet together a little dog like this one. I'll take another colors. These are YarnArt jeans and this one is Gazzal baby cotton for the ears. And I'll take two hooks, 1.6 and 2.1 for the ears. And let's start from the paws. We make a magic loop and 6 single crochets into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Pull the thread, there is no hole, and I make a slip stitch in the first loop and a chain. If you don't like to crochet this way, you can start a new round in the first loop without a slip stitch and a chain. The pattern is the same for the both ways. In the second round, we make 6 increases. 1, 2 single crochets in one loop. 3, 4 in the next loop. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. A slip stitch and a chain. In the next round, we make 12 single crochets without changes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And in the next round, we also make 12 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. We change a color. A slip stitch, a chain, and pull the thread. Now we make 4 single crochets, 2, 3, 4, and 2 decreases. 1, 2, and then 4 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, a slip stitch and a chain. We can cut the first thread and in the next round we make 10 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and change a color. 10. And we make 4 rounds for 10 single crochets in each round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 10. A slip stitch, a chain, and we've made 10 rounds. Cut the thread and make other 3 paws in the same way. And now let's make the smallest detail, a cute tail. Make a magic loop and 6 single crochets into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull the thread, a slip stitch and a chain. Then we make an increase and then 5 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A slip stitch, a chain, and 1 chain more. Then we make an extended single crochet, another one in the next loop. Then we make single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 extended single crochet. A slip stitch, a chain, and in the next round we make an increase, and then single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A slip stitch in the first loop, a chain, and leave the long end of the thread to sew the tail to the body. And see you in the next part.